So guys, if you understand how crypto market works, you really stand a chance to be making a very profitable money on daily basis. Okay, you stand a chance to make money every single day out from the market. Okay, so how do you do this? This particular Solana which you are seeing here, in some exchange, there are some exchange where this particular Solana which you see here are being sold for 80.54 cents. Okay, meaning that there is $1 different. And there are some exchange where this particular ETH is being sold for 2,100 USDT. So when you transfer from where it is low, then you sell where it is high, you stand a chance to be making money on daily basis. So what I'm gonna be teaching you guys here is on how you can actually make money in this particular Bybit on daily basis. Okay, so and this particular strategy have made me to actually be profitable on daily basis. So first of all, what you need to do is to come over to this particular place where you are seeing top gainers. So once you are in this particular top gainers, look for a particular coin which have actually made more than 100% in a day. Okay, so now if you take a look at this particular coin which is play, okay, if you take a look at this you'll find out that this particular play which you are seeing here is actually more than 118% here. So what do? The next thing which you do is to click this particular place. Okay, so once you have clicked this particular place, this is where you actually make a whole lot of money. So now you need to open it and see what this particular place is actually, find out what this particular place is actually doing. Look at how you make money. Okay, now once you see a very high candlestick, okay, just like this, as you can see this, when you see a very high candlestick here, now listen to me, that tall and a very long candlestick, once it is at the top, look at where I mean at the top here. Okay, once you have seen that this particular place have gotten to a top where it clicks a particular figure, it's a very big secret that I'm actually revealing here. Okay, so you can see this, whenever you see something that hits a particular figure in a range, just like $1, 0.0000, that is a sign for you to do what? To enter the market. Once you have seen that and there is a reverse, okay, just as you can see here, I can still enter this particular candles, this particular trade. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is for make sure that you are in 15-minute candlestick, or in 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart. Okay, make sure you are within this time frame. Okay, and once you enter this particular market, the next thing for you to do is to make sure that you are using 5S. Okay, let me show you another place where this thing I'm talking about took place. Okay, now if you take a look at this particular place, you find out that there is a figure here and there is a long candlestick here, but what actually happened here was that there was 0.08 in figure here. Okay, a 0.08108. Okay, but there was an empty body. Okay, once you have seen this particular empty body, this empty body you are seeing here with a long full body, and there is another candlestick, just as you can see here. As you can see here now, I will not actually enter the market when this particular place is in this place. Once the market is in this place, I will not enter this market. Okay, when will I enter this market? I will have to wait for another body to form, another candlestick to form. Now you can see now that this candlestick have formed, which is this second candlestick. That is not actually when to enter the market. You have to wait for it to close, and once it close on a bearish candlestick is just like a red candlestick. Just as you can see, this thing over here is this particular red, this thing here. the red is a bearish candlestick, and this particular one, all these things, these ones you are seeing here, all this place you are seeing here, they are bearish candlestick. The one on red is a bearish candlestick, and the one on green is the bullish candlestick. So you have to wait for it to do what? For it to form. Let it form in the next 15 minutes. Let it form close on a bearish candlestick. Once it closes on a bearish candlestick, then it is called short. That means you are saying that you are predicting that the market will do what? Will go down. Wait for this second one to close. Don't enter the market once after the 0.1000. Okay, but that is a call entry. That is the first signal which you need to confirm. Once there, because if you didn't confirm it, the second one might come and go above this 0.100, and the next one it might form 0.200. Okay, so that is the first thing for you to confirm here. Then let me show you what I was actually talking about concerning 0.10000. Okay, let me show you over here. So if you take a look at this particular place, take a look at here. If you see here, you will see that there is 0.050004. Okay, once there is 000 at the end, at the back of any of the number, it means that the coin will reverse upside, just as you are seeing here now, this particular place here now, which is this particular place where we are right now. So this particular if you take a look at here, you see there was 0.10000 here. So once you see this thing, in the next 2 days or 3 days, you're gonna see this thing move from 0.10 cent here down to 0.003 or even 0.01, and that is a whole lot of money. Okay, that is a whole lot of money. So you need to be patient for this particular second candlestick, that is the bearish. Let it close on the bearish candlestick before you do what? You enter the market. Remember, after this, if this particular candlestick, bearish candlestick that is forming right now, if it close on this red candle, which is the bearish candlestick, the next one that will be formed, it will be a bullish candle. Okay, it's gonna be if it will first of all go up a little, it will go up on a bullish candlestick before it will now eventually go down. So immediately there is a green bullish candlestick after this closing one. The next thing you need to do is to do what? Open a short. You will stand to make consistent profit on daily basis.